Hello everyone. Everyone got a chance or opportunity to change their life. So I am Harsuswa and I belongs to Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. I have done diploma in electrical engineering from SR Group of Institution. And if I will talk about my 12th, so I have completed it from LPA Inter College in 2018. After my diploma, I was searching for a job. Then one of my friend referred me in eVision. eVision TechnoServe is a IT recruitment and consultant company. In eVision, I have joined full-day job internship program. In 45 days, I have learned lot of things like networking and CCNA. And all the trainers gave very good sessions and took mock interview for our confidence check. After the completion of this job internship program, I got a calls from the lots of IT organizations and then I got selected in IBM with 2.9 lakh CTC. So I would thank all the eVision faculty and members to give me this opportunity. Thank you all.